Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. How is everybody doing? Today I am showing you really quickly the Israel pack box that I received in the mail for my review of this, and I can't even tell you how on board I am with this box. I think if anybody wants to get a box, it should be an Israel pack box, because the Bible even speaks that we should take care of Israel. We should pray for the peace of them. We should support them. And to me, when it's boxes like this where it's really truly packed with love from artisans around the world, my brothers and sisters that I don't even know, that are all over this beautiful planet of ours, I'm all for supporting it. And so I am going to open this up and show it to you. I am so bummed I did not get this up sooner, but I have been very, very sick. I have been bedridden for over 9 days, and it's been really, really tough. Those of you who know, I have lupus and fibromyalgia, amongst other things like IRLS, degenerative disc disease, other things, arthritis, but hypothyroidism. But I'm telling you, I am doing this literally in my PJs today, and this is the first day that I've been well enough to get up and even do this. So I decided I have to show you guys this. But this is the page that comes with it. Oh my gosh, I cannot even wait to try that meal right there. It looks amazing. But look at how beautiful this shows the things that are in the box. Some of the things that are in the box, and let's get to opening. Now, it did look like this, but I had to open it to make sure everything was okay, that things weren't damaged. So it came so beautifully packed. And then this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you there's just a card about learning about the products. And invite a friend, get a free box. I will talk more about that below. There is also going to be a discount code below this video so that you can try this box out. I'm so sorry, I'm not kidding. I just woke up and I saw the box and I was like, oh my gosh, I've got to do this right now. So I'm going to show you the things, and I do not remember. I believe it is 30% off, the discount code, but I could be wrong on that, you guys. But so I'm going to show you the first thing that is just one of my favorite things in this box, and that is this bowl right here. As you can see, it arrived broken. But what I did is, I'm like a little bowl fanatic. I'm not kidding. I love little bowls that you can put rings in, or paper clips, or little things like this. I absolutely love it. So I got my glue out and I glued it back together. I found every piece except that piece right there, and you better believe this girl will be using this beautiful little bowl. But I was really so bummed that it broke, and it came in a little package. It was very sweet. It was wrapped in paper, but hopefully they'll wrap it in bubble wrap next time. And but on with the box. Now this, I am not kidding. My husband is Italian. I am French Canadian, and I'm telling you, we love olive oil in this house. We do bread dipped in olive oil with seasoning all the time, and oh my gosh, that's like one of our little go-to snacks, is like a sourdough bread or a really good lean bread. Not many breads are good for you, but you can get research some of the right breads and dip them in olive oil with Italian seasoning. It's delicious. And this is extra virgin olive oil. And oh my gosh, I'm not kidding. I cannot wait to try that. Cannot wait to try it. The next thing we got, and I'm not kidding, I had to literally hold my kids back from this because we wanted to open it and eat it the second. And I was like, we can't eat the stuff that goes in the video, you guys. So look at these olives. Oh my gosh. Like, oh, delicious. I just cannot wait. And let me see. Let me undo this so that you can get a better idea. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm filming with my phone today, you guys. Oh, pulling it off with my teeth. Now here's what the container looks like. It looks like there is some kind of a cucumber in there or something that's spiced to keep it, or is that, maybe, is that a lemon slice? I'm not sure what it is in there, but there's something in there. It could possibly be a lemon slice to keep it fresh, because a lot of you, if you don't know, lemons can act as a preservative. So, but oh my gosh, today we are so having this a snack. I may make like, chop them up and make a, an olive. It's, oh my gosh, you guys know what I deal with my memory, but it's like a pomade, not a pomade. Oh my gosh, but you chop up olives and a bunch of goodies and you put it on crackers and it's delicious. And if one of you can think of the name that my brain will not allow me to have right now, then please put it in the comments below. And now the next thing is Shea and Macadamia Nut Nourishing Hand Cream, which, hello, with all of this stuff that is going on with this false flag event we are experiencing, wow, this is amazing. Really cannot wait to try it. It's all natural. The ingredients are water, aloe, I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on, but I'll put it up there so you guys can see. All natural ingredients, you guys. This is the stuff. This is what we should only be putting on our bodies, because our bodies, our skin is our biggest pore, and we should not be putting chemicals. This is the type of stuff we should be putting on. Then there is this absolutely beautiful, it's a hot, for a hot cloth, you know, like, you guys, I'm not kidding, I've been so sick that my brain has not even caught up to normalcy, but it's for taking stuff out of the oven, you know, a heating thing, or you could use it as a trivet, but it is absolutely adorable. It's got this cute little bamboo pattern on it. It's like a pale mint green color. It is adorable. And then we have Dead Sea Mud Mineral Face Washing Soap. Now, this is going to be all mine, baby. I am so keeping this because if you guys know, with lupus, I have to use all natural ingredients. I'm not supposed to use anything with chemicals because of my immune system, so I cannot wait. And I'm not kidding. It smells amazing. Like, the whole box smells so fresh because of the soap. It is not like an overpowering scent. It is like a fresh, clean, wonderful scent. The next thing in the box is dried tomato spread. Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. Look at how amazing that looks. See, like, you could put the olives in this too and chop them up and put them as a spread on really yummy crackers or even on bread. I cannot wait to try it. And then look at this. These are full on from red peppers in paprika with oil. Like, okay, now I don't know if my stomach will be able to handle this. I love paprika though. I'm not kidding. I'm thinking eggs, with whipped centers with this ground up in the center. Oh my gosh, and making them spicy eggs. I hate the name of them, so I'm not going to say it because I'm just not going to glorify that name. But heaven's eggs is what we'll call them. But I think with the hot red paprika just ground up slightly on it instead of just regular paprika, oh, delicious. Or on an egg salad sandwich, oh my gosh, yummy. But that is the box, folks, and it was packed so nicely and so beautifully. I cannot wait to see what June's box is going to entail. And this is absolutely something, if we were not going through the situation we are going through right now with my family, I would be signing up for this box immediately. But I have been blessed enough to be chosen to display this and to review this box for you, and I give it 5 stars. This is the type of boxes that really tickle my fancy. I mean, I love makeup and I love things like that. I love the boxes that I used to open, but this is like a, if anybody really knows Pamela, it is more household items and craft items and food items. Those are my real true loves as far as trying out things. So to get a bowl, like a beautiful artisan bowl from other craftsmen around the world, is like my cup of tea. I would much rather have something like this than a palette any day of the week and twice on Sunday, or any skincare. That's just me. That's my personality type. So, but look at how amazing this box is. Really, really beautiful, and I cannot wait to try it out. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love each and every one of you. I pray that you're safe and healthy during this crazy times we live in, and I'm praying for each and every one of you. Bye.